Snowflake is staying solid and not melting anytime soon like the largest portion of viewers, who, according to YouTube analytics, are in the Snowflake millennial demographic. The accelerating push into enterprise AI led to a strong close to fiscal 2026, which saw Snowflake's fourth quarter revenue rising to $1.28 billion, above expectations of $1.26 billion. Product revenue, Snowflake's most closely watched metric, increased about 30% year over year to $1.23 billion. Remaining performance obligations climbed 42% year over year to $9.77 billion, providing strong visibility into future revenue. Net revenue retention remained elevated at 125%, demonstrating continued expansion among existing customers under Snowflake's consumption-based pricing model. It now serves more than 13,000 customers globally and added 2,332 net new customers over the fiscal year. Importantly, 733 customers now spend more than $1 million annually, up 27% from the prior year, signaling deepening enterprise penetration. Snowflake ended the quarter with $4.8 billion in cash and equivalents, giving it substantial flexibility to invest in even more AI acquisitions and go-to-market expansion. CEO Sridhar Ramaswamy emphasized strong adoption of Snowflake Intelligence, the company's agentic AI platform, which has scaled to more than 2,500 customers. AI-related accounts grew to over 9,100, reflecting broad enterprise experimentation and deployment. Snowflake signed its largest contract ever during the quarter, a deal exceeding $400 million in total value with a major financial services customer, along with 7 additional 9-figure agreements. To deepen its AI capabilities, Snowflake entered a multi-year $200 million partnership with OpenAI. The agreement integrates OpenAI's advanced models, including GPT 5.2, natively into Snowflake Cortex AI across major cloud providers. The partnership focuses on co-innovation and joint go-to-market efforts to deploy AI agents that can reason over governed enterprise data and take action across business systems. Executives from both companies framed the collaboration as a way to close the gap between AI experimentation and production-grade enterprise deployment. Customers such as Canva are already leveraging the joint capabilities to accelerate analytics, research, and operational decision-making. Snowflake is also at work expanding its multi-cloud AI ecosystem. An extended collaboration with Google Cloud integrates Gemini 3 large language models directly into Snowflake Cortex AI, enabling customers to build generative AI applications within their governed data environments without moving data. The companies are aligning sales motions and enabling transactions through Google Cloud Marketplace. Snowflake also launched its platform on Google Cloud in Saudi Arabia and announced expansion plans for Melbourne, Australia, reflecting international growth ambitions. During fiscal 2026, Snowflake launched more than 430 new capabilities. At its Build London 2026 event, it introduced Cortex Code, an AI coding agent that enables users to perform data engineering, analytics, machine learning, and agent-building tasks using natural language. The tool integrates with development environments and understands enterprise governance controls, accelerating project development from concept to production. Additional releases included Semantic View Autopilot, which automates the creation of governed semantic layers for AI agents, Snowflake Notebooks for Jupyter-powered ML development, Online Feature Store and online model inference for real-time ML use cases, and Cortex agent evaluations to ensure traceable, auditable agent behavior before deployment. Snowflake is also broadening its core data platform. The launch of Snowflake Postgres integrates Postgres transactional capabilities with analytical and AI workloads on a single architecture powered by Apache Iceberg. Enhancements to the Snowflake Horizon catalog extend governance across open formats, such as Iceberg and Delta Lake, while open format data sharing and integration with Microsoft OneLake increase interoperability. Snowflake Backups was introduced to protect critical data against ransomware and disruption. Industry-specific solutions are expanding as well. Snowflake launched Energy Solutions, combining governance, partner applications, and industry datasets to help utilities and oil and gas companies unify operational and enterprise data. Companies including ExxonMobil and PG&E are using the platform to support grid planning, asset health monitoring, and operational forecasting. In manufacturing, Wolfspeed expanded its use of Snowflake's AI Data Cloud to deploy AI across factory operations, supply chain, and enterprise functions. Wolfspeed developed internal generative AI tools such as WolfGPT on Snowflake Intelligence to predict manufacturing issues and improve quality outcomes. Looking ahead, Snowflake forecast fiscal 2027 product revenue of approximately $5.66 billion, representing about 27% year-over-year growth and exceeding analyst expectations. First quarter product revenue is expected between $1.262 billion and $1.267 billion. The company guided to a 12.5% non-GAAP operating margin and a 23% adjusted free cash flow margin for fiscal 2027, signaling confidence in balancing growth and profitability. Management acknowledged investor skepticism around AI monetization, software spending durability, and competition from rivals such as Databricks. However, executives expressed confidence that strong sales execution, expanding enterprise commitments, deeper AI integrations, and ecosystem partnerships position Snowflake as a central platform for enterprise data and AI. As for how other Snowflakes are doing in the stock market blizzard, go to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.